We are bound by the rule of law. The Privy Council have made a judgment and they have issued certain instructions, and it is for my office to prepare ourselves and boards of other things that were occurring that the judges would not have been aware of, that we on the ground were aware of. Certainly, a prosecutor has to do what a prosecutor knows best. We had witnesses in the case. And I'm not going to say anything further.
Come we go burn down Babylon one more time.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless the love and greatest my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Anyone there, you don't know all the love and blessings, coming from the man of peace. You see it? Yes, man, life are the greatest gifts to cherish each and every moment. You see it? Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone. Yes, man, live it clean and joyful. Yes, man. You don't know, before we kick off the vlog, we always say equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength, inclusion. Thank you all for your continuous support. Yes, in this vlog, I don't know, we have the DPP Paula Llewelyn breaks silence in an interview where she's addressing the public and the nation, you know what I mean, and answering the question that she's been asked by the journalist. You see me I say, interviewer. So basically she said she's looking forward to going back to court, and there's things where the judge wasn't aware of in the last court case that they were aware of, and she have other things we never use like evidence and them thing there, and Wolipa ways tried to tamper with the case and them thing there. I'm not going to hear she says it's a long interview, but I take a look at piece out of it. You see me? I say John Star. This is derailing and depressing and stressing on the appellants them. You know what I say? The Cartel and the rest of them, Sean Sam, Kyra Jones and the rest of them, you know? It's very stressful. I know them are worried right, you know. You see, but if it does, you know, we know Cartel is upbeat and optimistic and him not give up my fight. You see me? Because we see him back and forth. Well, if I am a running page or somebody a running page, I don't know, but you know, see him clap back and say, come on, go burn down Babylon one more time. You see me? And also, this lawyer, the lawyers of the appellant, them, you know, said the DPP should refrain from trying their client and in public, you know, based on the interview that she gave. But we're not going to hear she assisted, you see me? But I don't know. We are forward.
What am I dealing with? Flexil Complex representing for the big bad and mad Lion Foot TV. You know what the thing go. Mad and mean. Keep it tuned, keep it locked. Baddest flagger. You see it? Hey, swear and I will never leave Sue and go to Trevor. We not change on at all. That's some general teacher Pagoli Side College. Lion Foot. Man.
Yes, big up yourself, you know, flex. Anyway, then at the wall of Miami, Florida, and the Bulls, man. Me shot. Yes, man, big up the one massive scene. Viewers and subscribers know further delay. Here, but the DPP, Miss Paula Llewelyn, is saying,
We are bound by the rule of law. The Privy Council have made a judgment and they have issued certain instructions, and it is for my office to prepare ourselves to meet the next hearing of the matter, which should be before the Court of Appeal, in making our submissions as it relates to the issue of a retrial. I don't think the order in council has come down yet from England to the Court of Appeal, but I'm sure that once it is received, then they will send out notices to the counsel for the other side and to my office. I don't have the sort of remit or latitude that defense counsel have in the public domain to say anything, whether they are misinforming or otherwise. The prosecutor will always be held to a much higher standard. We know that there is going to be another hearing and the possibility of other things after that. The overriding objective in any criminal trial is fairness to the accused, and therefore I have deliberately stayed away from making any public comment about the judgment, save and accept in respect of that narrow area of law, where the possibility of the amendment to the Jury Act to replicate Section 46 of the particular legislation, which was referred to by the Privy Council in their judgment, would, I believe, go a far way in enhancing the administration of justice in Jamaica. What I indicated and what I would indicate, this case has had a particular history. There are a lot of things that have occurred, which I will not go into, which have caused us at the office of the DPP right throughout to have to be very, very careful and to refrain from making any sort of commentary on the matter which may be misinterpreted by either the accused, their attorneys, or members of the public who may not be totally informed of the legal issues and may seek to act in a negative way on given the emotions around the matter. When certain things are done, remember we have context that you may not have. We are at liberty to look at it through the lens of it perhaps being an issue, looking at what is being said and what is not being said, which can act as an inhibitor if we were so minded in respect of us continuing to robustly do our duty, as we do in this case and so many other cases.
Hindsight, with the benefit of hindsight, do you regret the submissions you made?
You are not going to get me there. You are not going to get me there.
But with the benefit of hindsight, DPP, do you regret the submissions you made in chambers to the judge?
I'm not going to make any comments on that because there are a lot of things about that case outside, especially of what was happening, that we are not able to go into. And I am not going to go there. When everything is finished, everything, perhaps if I am persuaded, then we can go into some of the nuts and bolts of other things that were occurring that the judges would not have been aware of, that we on the ground were aware of. Certain things are matter of public record, but in light of the fact that we are now headed back to court with this matter, a prosecutor has to do what a prosecutor knows best. We had witnesses in the case. And I'm not going to say anything further.
Come we go chant down Babylon one more time. Come we go chant down Babylon.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So here the DPP Miss Paula Llewelyn speak. She sound like she had iron up in her feelings and she's remaining tight-lipped. She not say much. As she says, she don't want to reveal much. You know, she have certain things where the judge wasn't aware of that she and her team was aware of on the ground, and many ways them try to sabotage the case, you know, tamper with the jury and all evidence and all of them things there. So why may I tell her, if you go retrial it, I go stick it, I go rough it, I go interesting, intriguing, suspense, you know. I mean, no chance time on the next other two accuse them. You know what I mean? A fret right now, no feel good. Vybz Kartel a fight to him right and him show us him determined, you know? And you can't blame him, you see? But it look good style. You see me? It look good. You know? Because she said there's also witnesses. Witnesses mean more than one. See? So don't surprise if you see them draw back for y'all. A Gaza Slim, this is she Lizard. Well, I don't know. Never to one call her name either, but if this come back a retrial, Jano, yeah man, I go sticky, you know, sticky, and Miss Paula Llewelyn sound like, you know, she not give up. She want to prove the country right or prove the haters them wrong or, you know, she get all of criticize and backlash and disrespect, you see me? And she not own rights, so she said she'll go back, a retrial, and she confident in her team, because she have things whenever used in a court. You see me? So, Jano star. Jano. But we see Vybz Kartel make the post after she did that interview. She make Vybz Kartel make the post with Bob Marley reference song. Come we go burn down Babylon one more time. You see me? Yes, man, and we see him lawyer them put out. He come out in the article where the lawyers of each one of the accused, yes, are saying, you know, she must refrain from trying their clients in public. So, well, I mean, I tell her, I can say the lawyer them better prepare themselves and make sure them have them really well prepared for this retrial. If it do goes to retrial, is it? Yeah, man, they just prepare themselves because this time Miss Paula Llewelyn, she's gonna be extra vigilant, extra secure or insecure. You know what I mean? On her P's and Q's and make sure there's no loophole for sabotage her because I see she want to prove a point. But you don't know me now, I'm not for saying I'm just watch we see what go on, you see it. Yeah, man, you don't know when I wish bad upon nobody, but I still believe if you do the crime, if you do the time, but at the same time you can forgive but not forget. You see me I say, yeah man, 5 boy me getting us, so I don't know me now wish bad upon no man, and everybody deserves a second chance in life, but as me say, I'm just watching you. You see me? Let me know what you think in the comment section. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, the man of peace man, I wish I live in love and blessed. See? Yeah man, please like the content, share, subscribe, click the bell. About boom bang.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Mobile, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go!